still want to believe that he can do better and I will do better, and we still have the belief in him that the time, the tenor of what we agree on is what we are working on.
What we met on ground, the hydraulic structures, we are 100% satisfied with it. But the earthworks, so the material we met on ground, last week our laboratory department tested the material. They knew the material is not good for sub-grade, subgrade and base. So that's why you can see now he has started cutting them away. What we met here now, we are very happy with it. A few weeks ago when the commissioner and the other teams came here, they were not too happy with what we met on ground. We had meeting in respect of that they should increase their pace. But as you can see now, we've traversed the road from Chene 0 to kilometer 7. They've opened it up.
All the contractors are happy with what the government has been doing. There is no contractor that will promise that will pay. Once they raise their certificate, we look at it and we'll pay them.